Hello everyone. This video is to show you some simple tools to navigate Canvas. So pay attention because that is what you will be doing for the next 6 weeks. How to participate in discussions, submitting your assignments, and so on. So we are going to start with the very first thing. So every time you log in, you come to this page and we are going to call it the home page, right? So when you open your home door, you enter. So that's what this is. So once you come here every week, all that you have to do to get the week's materials, what you need to do, everything by going to modules. Remember, always click on modules. That's the only way you will be able to access everything. So when you click on modules, you will see what you have to do for that week. All right. And you can start by clicking on the week 1 overview or objectives. That'll explain to you what we are going to cover that week. And then each week we are going to have 2 Zoom sessions. And if you click on this, all it will tell you is what we are going to cover. So every time you want to access a week's material, you always click on module. Got it? Okay. The second thing is for every week, you will have something called a discussion work, which means even though we are not in a Zoom class, you will be talking to each other. Not talking per se, but you will be talking virtually. So that is called the discussion. So if you click on this, for the first week, I want you to get to know each other. So you're going to briefly introduce yourself because this is the first week. I'm not asking you to record yourself. You're just going to type your introduction. How are you going to do that? By clicking here. If you click reply, you will see this box. So you can just type here. So pretend I'm a student and you can say, hello, my name is whatever. And then once you complete it, you're going to click on this. This is very important. If you don't do this step, nobody can see what you have typed. So you have to click here, post reply. Now don't worry about attaching anything for discussion. You are just going to type something really briefly so people can read quickly and comment on this. So I'm just going to pretend I'm writing something here. Hello, my name is Girija Nagaswamy. Okay. And then I'm going to post it. So now see, you have it here. So if you come in and see this from somebody else, you have to, because that's what the step 2 says. You've got to read at least the introduction of 2 other students from your class and reply to them. So let's say I'm one of the student and you see my introduction. You're going to click here, reply, and say, hi, Girija, nice to meet you. So, and then you want to again post reply. So you see this? This is called the discussion. So you post your introduction, then somebody will read it and comment on it. You can read on someone's comment, introduction, and comment on that. So that is how you're going to participate in discussions every week. After some time, it'll be related to the topic we are going to cover in the unit. The other important aspect or what you need to know is how to submit an assignment, because you will have homework assignments which we are not in a physical classroom for you to write in a paper and give it to me. So you're going to submit it through Canvas. So how do you do that? So here is your first assignment. It's on vocabulary. So if you click on that, you see what you have to do. You have to go to your book on pages 3 to 4 and submit your answers do the exercise. So when you're ready, so you click on Submit Assignment. Okay, again, very important. You click here, and now you have an option. So the easiest option for you would be to click on Text Entry and type your answer here. And then once you're done, this is again very important, click Submit Assignment. Otherwise, for some longer work, you may want to type on your computer first and save it on your computer and then upload it here. In that case, you're going to click this and you will see this little thing opening up, and you will click on Browse, which will take you to your computer documents, and you will select whatever file you saved it as. Let's say you had to record something and save it as an MP4 file, or you had to type something, 2 paragraphs, and save it. So whatever it may be, you're going to select that file and click here, and you will see what happens when I do that. It is taking me to my document page. So I can pretend something and then click on one of the files. And when I do that, you will see, I don't know, so that's what it is. So let's say this is the file that I want to submit. I click Open, and you will see the name of the file right here. And I can click Submit Assignment, and you will see what happens. Submission. So you will see this. The moment you submit your assignment, you will see this little note saying submitted. So that means it's telling you your work was submitted, and I will get it, and I'm going to read it and comment and send it back to you. Okay? So, okay, we all make mistakes. And if you uploaded the wrong file, or you felt that you didn't do it correctly, you want to do it again before the time is up, so go back to Resubmit Assignment and you can upload the correct file, or you can go here and redo that and resubmit it. And then I will look at whatever it is. So, I don't know, something, hello, and then you submit it. Okay? So again, you can do it twice, but make sure you submit it in the deadline. If it says 11:59 p.m., you should submit it way before that. So that is pretty much what you want to know for now. And you can always check your grades by clicking on Grades. Syllabus will be posted here as well as in your module. The other things we may not use at all, so it's just there in case we need it. But these are the most important tabs you need to know: the Zoom, the modules. That's it. So if you have any questions, you can ask me in the Zoom class.